It was kind of a breath of fresh air to see a performance more than just a speech. I liked that.
The students really connected and they really loved it.
How many of you here could relate to at least one of these monkeys?
I would definitely recommend it. I loved the day, I loved everything we learnt. You get to find out things about yourself that you might not have known already.
It was very practical.
My biggest takeaway was learning about the 5 monkeys and how to overcome my fear and worrying about what other people think.
Daniel as a presenter is above a lot of the others that I've seen. Having the pleasure to watch him twice, he's fantastic, he's energetic, he's engaging. Anyone who's watching him really gets pulled into that and is a part of that and can really grow and really connect with him on many different levels.
Really good experience. I would recommend it, especially being in year 11, to understand where I can improve, to do good during school and even leaving school outside of it.
I would definitely recommend him for anyone out there, any school or organisation to engage and bring him in.
I loved it. It was really fun.
He really sets the tone for the day. He brings up the energy, he gets the kids involved. It's not just him talking to the kids, so I would highly recommend him.
My biggest takeaway from today's presentation was how your own thoughts and emotions can negatively impact you and weigh you down. After today's presentation, I now know that I could try and be as brave as I can and keep a really positive mindset.
My biggest takeaway from today was to not be ashamed, because no matter what you're going through, it's only temporary. It's very engaging, entertaining, fun, all of the above.
My biggest takeaway from today's session with Daniel was being able to see my flaws in a way and how I can combat them to be a better person.
If you're a school out there or another business and you want to get your staff really motivated and really pumped, give Daniel a call.